So good morning to all. Yesterday we studied different types of text selection and how to do copy pasting, then how to delete, how to move. So different types of operation yesterday we studied. So today's topic 7.6, formatting a document. Formatting means the general arrangement of a text is called formatting. So general arrangement means we can increase the size, we can change the size, we can create a hierarchy of relative importance among the text element. So there are several aspects of text formatting, means character formatting, paragraph formatting and page formatting. So character formatting means, listen here, first we need to study character formatting. So in formatting a document, first we need to study character formatting. So in character formatting, which means that it enhances the appearance of a document, the character format plays an important role and it decides how the individual character in a document should appear, which means that we can change the font size and text attributes and text position. For example, we can increase the font size, we can make it bold or italic or underline character, so we can make it subscript and superscript positions. So I will show one by one what you mean by bold, italic, underline and what you mean by subscript and superscript. So look at that here, I will explain here in practically. So assume that so you type something. For example, I type here, hello, good morning, good good morning. So this is your word. So in text formatting or in character formatting, so you can increase the size. You can simply increase the size. Means first you need to select this. Then here there is one option for increasing the size. So you can select the size. So if you are selecting according to that, size is increasing. For example, I selected 26. So then the size become 26. So this is the first and simplest way to increase the size of a text. It is called font size. This is called font size. Then if you want to make it as bold means, look at that here, that this is appear in symbols only, symbol way only. So first select this, then here is one option B for bold. Here is one option B is there, B for bold, I for italic and U for underline. So B for bold, I for italic and U for underline. So if you are first click the bold, then look at that, this letter become bold. So if you click italic, so look at that, there is a curveness is there in this word, there should be a curveness. So if you click underline, so look at that, one underline is there. So this is the basic three text attributes: bold, italic and underline. So you should understand the difference between bold, italic, underline. Bold means the letter is bolder, italic means it is in curve only, underlines means it is underlined. Okay, this is bold, italic and underline. Then next is subscript and superscript. So I will explain what you mean by subscript and superscript. So look at here, subscript and superscript is nothing but here writing the equations like x square ax. For example, I will show here, if you write x, then if you write 2 here in the upper side, this is called a superscript. So 2 is called a superscript. Okay, so anything we are write the upper side of a letter, that is called a superscript. How it is possible means, here look at that, first you type your letter, that is x, then here look at that, here is one option, here look at that, this is called superscript option, this is called subscript option. So this is superscript, this is subscript. So you just click here, then the cursor is automatically moved to upside, then you can simply write your letter. So this is called a superscript. Okay, so after typing your superscript, you can just again click here, then it will move downside. So then I type next x square plus then y, x square plus y. So I want to superscript, I just click here, Then again I type here y raised to 4. Okay, so this is called a superscript. Superscript means anything we are writing in the upper side. So then next we are going to study subscript. Subscript means, for example, if I write here x, then if you want anything on the downside here, look at that one option is there, subscript. You are clicking the subscript, you can write here x5. Okay, so subscript means it is appear in the downside. Okay, superscript means it is appear in the top side. So xy plus y, so you want again a subscript, you can just click here, then write your letter. So this is called a superscript. So hope you understand the difference between subscript and superscript. Okay, so next we can change the font size, means font style also. For example, I write here Deebu, then I select here, then this is called here too many font styles are here. So look at that here. If you change this, so right side you can see the word is also changing. So this is called different types of styles. So look at that here, different types of styles are here. This is called a font style. So we can also change the font. Okay, so today we study what we can change the size also, font also. We can make bold, italic, underline, and we can make a subscript and a superscript. So this is about character formatting. Okay, character formatting. So practically we study, so you need to write in theoretically also. So then to format a character, so you need to select the text to be formatted. First you need to select the text, then here click on character, then format menu. So look at that here, format menu. Here you can see that in format menu character option is there, character option. So from the character option you can see like this. Now we already see that in character option you can select the font, then you can first you can see different types of fonts are available. Then in right side bold, italic, underline and bold, italic, too many options are there. Then the right side size, we can also increase the size. So this is the different way we can change the characters type or character. This is called character formatting. Okay, so in same way look at that, I already teach here. So Times New Roman, so by clicking on that, in downside too many options are available, we already see that. Then we can also increase the size by clicking here, then bold, italic, underline. Okay, everything we study. So this is everything is inside that what format menu. That is a first important question, from where which menu we can use it to change the character formatting. So answer is format menu. Okay, format menu. So here then shortcut key also there. Yesterday also we studied too many shortcut keys. For making a word or letter bold, we can use Control B. It is making it underline. Underline we can use Control U. Making it italic we can use Control U. Sorry, Control I. So Control B for bold, Control I for italic, Control U for underline. Okay. So this is called what shortcut keys. So in other than this we can also change the size, we can also change the color, we can make it overline, strike through, or symbol. Font effects are there, too many font effects are there. So this is the basic of formatting a document. First one, character formatting. Okay, so in your textbook it is clearly that, so first we study the font. In font we can change the font size, the different type of font style. Okay, we can also increase the size. So then second option you can select the font effect. So font effect we can change the font color, we can underline, we can strike through, we can overline. So too many options are there. Then look at that here, then position. So we already studied subscript and superscript, so we can also make this by clicking the position of the letter. So that is called subscript and superscript. We already studied the subscript and superscript. So this is the way in practically it is selecting. Okay, so next one, changing the case in writer. Change means case means only uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so here in writer it offers mainly 4 types of case conversion. First one, look at that, uppercase or capital, which means that all the letter is in uppercase. Uppercase, other word is called capital letter. Second one is called lowercase or smaller letter. So third one, look at that, title. Title means the first, look at that here, the first letter of each word is in capital. So this is called title. First letter of each, so look at that here, TIST, which means first letter of each word is in capital. This is called a title. So last one, small cap, means the first letter of each word is in capital letter only, but it is appear something bigger than the remaining letter. All the letters are capital, but the first letter of each word is in some bigger than other letters. This is called a small cap. Okay, this is called a small cap. So you need to understand the difference between these four, because this question is like that they will give one word, so you need to understand this is in which type, uppercase or lowercase or title or small cap. Understand? So then how to change? So here in format menu, here from the figure look, and it is easy. The format, first you need to select that word, then in format menu change case option is there. If you click uppercase, then it will change to uppercase. It will change to lowercase, it will change to lowercase only. So look at that here downside. So capitals are here, titles are here, small capitals are here. So according to your convenience you can select. Okay, so this is the way. So everything is in character. Font, here look at that here, font tab, then change case uppercase and lowercase. So this is the way. So format menu, then change case uppercase and lowercase. So format menu. So you need to study this, what is the difference between uppercase, lowercase, title and small cap. So then how to change uppercase to lowercase. Okay, you can check, take a format menu, then character option, everything is available there. Okay, then if you want to change the character color or font color, so you can simply move to format menu, then character option is there. Then you can, if you click that character dialog box, you can see that font effect. In the font effect you can take the font color. So you need to study the steps. First one, select the text. Second one, click format menu and take the character. Third step, in the character dialog click the font effect. Fourth step, select the desired color, then apply that. Okay, so this is the way. First select, then so first look at that here, who are the print disabled. First select that, then click on the format paintbrush icon. Here one icon is there, so it will display here like that here. Then you can change that. Okay, if you want to, after pointing that change bucket icon, select the text you want to format. Notice that the text will be formatted with the same formatting features that is originally appear in text formatting. So this is the way. Okay, so you need to write these steps also. So today we studied this much only. In formatting document, we can format character formatting, paragraph formatting and page formatting. So today we study only character formatting. So character formatting, we can change the size, text attribute, bold, italic, underline, subscript, superscript. So the steps also we study, and shortcut key also we study. After we study how to change the case, uppercase, lowercase, title and small caps, how to change it. Then we study how to change the color, and then how to format the paintbrush and pointer tool. Okay, this much only study. So these all are under, so everything is inside the character formatting. Bold, italic, underline, subscript, superscript, that is shortcut keys. Then changing case in writer, change the text or font color, format the paintbrush. Okay, these 1, 2, 3, 4 topics are under the character formatting. Okay, so this much only today's class.